today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, what is happening to Bitcoin? I mean, I do not remember any time since I'm in crypto and I'm here for multiple cycles where it was so boring. But what if I told you that there's one hint in the charts that soon it is gonna go much more volatile, much more crazy than everyone expects? I will talk about that. I will talk about my multi-million US dollar trades on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, my exact price targets, and what we can expect for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. All I want to ask you for is please like the video, leave a like down below, leave some comments, make noise for the algorithm. I'm coming to you straight here from South Korea. And it's awesome, right? On my way to the next appointment. But I want to make this video because some serious things are brewing for Bitcoin. This is for sure. Let me go straight into it. Dear ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna get crazy. I'll go into my chart, into my trades very shortly, but I want to show you here in the example of the last cycle and the current cycle what we can expect for Bitcoin. Of course, I want to show you some very interesting data here actually backing that up. But first of all, let's talk about Bitcoin here on the weekly candles. And what we can see is that this is the last cycle, of course, and we have very similar pattern actually every single cycle. Not only this cycle, the last one, but even the previous ones before. What we can see is, of course, obviously, we always have a bull market top, we always have a bear market bottom, and we always have in every bull market this parabola here coming, right? This happens every single time, and the question is just, when is each of these very crucial phases starting? I mean, I want to call the bull market top, the bear market bottom, and the parabola the crucial phase. The most important for me personally to make gains in the bull market is the parabola. And we have to make sure that we are timing it correctly, because you can be bullish on Bitcoin like me, like all the time, obviously, but being bullish on the exact bull market top is of course not the most beneficial for you. Being bullish at the bear market bottom is very beneficial, but you don't get this really instant gratification which most people are looking for. What the most important thing is for people who want quick gains in crypto is to spot when the parabola is actually starting. And you can see here, for example, in the last bull cycle, it was going really crazy just for a couple of weeks right here. And this is every single time the moment when we are breaking the resistance for Bitcoin, which is set by the previous bull market top. This is very important to understand. And that was right here at round about 19,700 US dollars. This time, this resistance is, let me go back here, is set in approximately at 69,000, 70,000 US dollars. Call it 72, but like 69,420 US dollars should be the perfect one. And what you can see, we are consolidating, for my taste, for way too long. The question is, why are we consolidating for so long? And when are we finally going to break it? Well, first of all, the answer to this very important question, when we are going into that last parabolic phase, which I want to tell you exactly what I think when it is going to start, is now going on for like 3-4 months. Usually we consolidate just for like 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks before we are eventually breaking it. Now we are consolidating for way longer. The moment, however, we are breaking with the weekly candle close, this 69,420 US dollar level, breaking it with the weekly candle close, this is the moment this parabola is starting. And yes, this is the reason why I'm still in my trades here. You can see it right there. Both of these trades still open, like 6-7 million US dollars in a profit on both of these trades. But dear ladies and gentlemen, why are we not breaking it yet? Well, obviously, we are still in September. I made a bad screenshot here. You can see on the left-hand side, September is historically the worst month for Bitcoin. It's like literally the worst. It's worse than any summer month, right? And even the summer month are not very good as well, historically, for Bitcoin. September is very bad historically as well. My birthday month of October is historically the best month for Bitcoin. And not only because of that, because it would be very foolish to base your predictions just on that, but I mean, basically the last 9 years, 8 out of the last 9 years were very bullish for Bitcoin, and we don't need much percentage gain to break the resistance. Not only based on that, but also based on the chart calling up, the EMA ribbon, the volatility going down, Bitcoin consolidating among resistance, which is always the most bullish thing, especially on a high time frame like the weekly. Based on these things, I do expect Bitcoin to break 70,000 in October and have a last 5 to 6 months of parabolic upwards movement towards the upside. The wait is over soon. It is not over yet, but it is over soon. Once we are breaking in October, 84,000, 100,000, 120, 140,000 are most likely going to be a walk in the park in the month to follow. Let me know what you think about that. And look at this crazy huge tower over there. Wow. I think that's the Signal Tower maybe in South Korea. Really crazy one. Anyways, let me know down below what you expect for Bitcoin to come. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye. Bye.